Dashly Lace units are the perfect pop-on and go wigs, making them great for beginners. They give you everything you need in a basic lace wig and come in a variety of popular cuts and colors. Dashly Lace units perfectly combine fashion and affordability. Dashly units come in a variety of different cuts and styles, so you can always find your favorite look. They also come in multiple color options that vary from unit to unit, such as two-tone colors, money piece colors, chunky highlight, and of course, basic color options. With Dashly Lace units, you get an extra deep part and a little extra lace space in the front for easier application. You also get ear lace as well as baby hairs for a natural appearance. These units come with 3 combs, 2 in the front and 1 in the back, as well as adjustable straps. This is our model, Sean. Sean has a small to medium head size, and this unit fits her very comfortably. Sean stands at about 5'6", and she's wearing our Dashly Unit 8 in the color Money Piece Blonde. This unit falls right at Sean's belly button, and in the back, it hits her right above her waistline. What's great about this unit is the color placement because it frames her face perfectly. So if you're looking for a quick, easy, and fashionable wig, we suggest trying out our Dashly collection. And if you need help finding any of these units, remember to check out our store locator on Sensationnel.com. As always, thanks for watching.